Sorry for the updates. That there hasn't been anything in 2 weeks. I'm sorry for that. There was a lot of midterms and other problems. Well, back to the Taylor Swift videos. She is tolerable, but not handsome enough to tempt me. Now this is an explanation of the above. In chapter 3 of Pride and Prejudice, Mr. Darcy does not think highly of Elizabeth. This opinion changes later on. This seems to presume the importance of appearance in relationships. Something like this occurs early in You Belong With Me by Taylor Swift. The male love interest finds the first female lead tolerable, a friend, but not yet a girlfriend. At this point, his girlfriend is the cheer captain, who among other things wears short skirts. Perhaps this is a disparagement of the assertion over appearances, especially because the academic prowess of the cheer captain is unknown. Compare this to Swift's main character. Note that both she and the cheer captain are played by Taylor Swift, who is seen sitting in her room, wearing a periodic table shirt, and is also seen on the bleachers playing an instrument with a band. This scene is not unlike the quote above, where the love interest is fastidious to the point where his two choices are played by the same person, and he can clearly determine the differences between them. In chapter 3 of Pride and Prejudice, Mr. Darcy is seen as very proud of himself, and unwilling to mingle with the others. A noble gas of sorts. The same could be said of the male love interest in You Belong With Me, who prefers the company of his girlfriend, at least until the end of a football game, where there appears to be an argument between them. This causes him to change, and eventually prefers Swift's main character. Similarly, Mr. Darcy in Pride and Prejudice undergoes character development and becomes more accepting of others.